We start our analysis from the auto-open entry point. Similarly to the previous sample, this one uses the formula function to set the value of a specified cell. Since the emulator doesn't currently support the formula function, I wrote a small Python script to implement it. If you need to extend the Silicon Excel emulator, you can find a template script among the Python code snippets. We execute our script to register the helper class. Now we can start to emulate the code. We continue to emulate the code among calls to set the values of certain cells and jumps. Some of the formulas just return strings. Finally, we reach a call to the URL download to file API to download the malicious payload. The malware then uses the exec function to execute the malicious payload via run-dll32. The code execution ends here.